Hello friends, good morning. Today we will revise the grammar topic subject and predicate with exercise. So let's start the revision of subject and predicate. Hello friends, today we will revise the subject and the predicate. Look at the two parts of each sentences. First, the sun. Second part is rises in the east. The dog is running after the cat. The peacock is dancing under the tree. Rahul's sister was playing in the park. You will notice from this sentence part A contains the person or the things we are talking about. We call it the subject of the sentence, and part B contains the sum statement about the subject. We call it the predicate of the sentence. That means a part of the sentence, the person or the things we are talking about is called subject of the sentence, and the parts of the sentence, some statement about the subject, we call it the predicate of the sentence. Thus, thus the subject is that part of a sentence which names the person or things we are speaking about is called subject. The predicate, that part of a sentence which says something about the subject, is called predicate. Here in this, the sun, the dog, the peacock, Rahul's, all these are subject of the sentence. Rises in the earth, rises in the east, is running after the cat, is dancing under the tree, was playing in the park. All these are subject of the sentence, all these are predicate of the sentence. The sun rises in the east. The dog is running after the cat. The peacock is dancing under the tree. Rahul's sister was playing in the park. A very simple rule: words to the left of the verb from the subject. Words to the left of the verb from the subject. The verb and the words following the verb form the predicate. Like here, the words the sun. Left to the left of the verb rises in the east, that form the subject, the sun. The verb and the words. Here the verb and the words following the verb form the predicate. Is running after the cat, is followed. This part, running after the cat, followed the verb is. So, this part of the sentence is called predicate. A very simple rules. Repeat again, my dear. Words to the left of the verb form the subject. The verb and the words following the verb form the predicate. Okay. Now, in some sentence, the verb is made up of two or three words. In some sentences, the verb is made of two or three words, as the sun has risen. The sun has risen. Second, she is going to school. Here, the verb is made from with the help of two words, has and risen. She is going to school. Here is going is made with the help of two words, is and going. The tune will be ringing the bell. Here will be and ringing. This verb is made with the help of three words, will, be and ringing. There is a main verb in each sentence. Others are helping verbs. The main verb comes at the end. Like here, helping verb come before the main verb. Like has is a helping verb and risen is the main verb. Is to be verb and going is also main verb. Thus, the main verb here are risen, that main verb is rise, going, that main verb is go, and ringing, that main verb is ring. The helping verbs are in the first sentence has, is, in the second sentence and third is will and also be. Okay? Now, the test of your knowledge. Underline the main verb and circle the helping verb. Each sentence, can is here helping verb and swing is a main verb. Here will is helping verb and win is main verb. Here has is helping verb and lost is main verb. Here should is helping verb and tell is main verb. Was is helping verb and writing is main verb. Is helping verb and doing is main verb. Now second exercise is here. Match the subject and predicate to make sentence like birds live in nest. Here Raman brushed his teeth. The rose is lovely flower. Monkey has a long tail. Bees and ants work very hard. Okay? Repeat again. Birds. Second exercise, match the subject and predicate to make sentences. Like here, bird live in nest. Raman brushed his teeth. The rose is a lovely flower. The monkey has a long tails. Bees and ants work very hard. Choose third number. Choose a suitable subject for each predicate. First is the sun is very hot. Dash loves all men. Here God loves all men. Dash love their children. Here all parents love their children. All parents love their children. Dash works in a factory. Dash works in a factory. My father My father works in a factory. Dash cleaned the table. The servant. The servant cleaned the table. Okay, my dear. Here another part is that choose a suitable predicate from each for each subject. The girls are plucking flower. The lion is the king of all animals. The lion is the king of all animals. A mango is the mango has a sweet taste. The earth moves around the sun. The donkey is a useful animal. Okay, my dear. Now, here is another exercise. Match each subject with its predicate. Like here, birds runs fast, lives in Mumbai, shine in the sky, don't live in water, comes after January, are playing in the garden. Here, don't live in water. The birds don't live in a water. Children are playing in the garden, in the park. That option is F. February D comes after January. That correct answer is E. My uncle lives in Mumbai. B. The hare runs fast. That option is A. The stars dash. The stars shines in the sky. That option is C. Okay, my dear, I hope that you have learned this topic, subject and predicate very well. In the next video, we have learned about the tense and also verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. Okay, thank you very much.